Okay, yeah, I'm just doing a couple things, making sure everything's fine. I move that there. Um, is that all? I think that might be all. That's pretty good, right? I think it's pretty good. I guess I could put that in like that. I can still see that. I don't see what. Okay, welcome back. A little bit of a issue right here. I think this is common issue with Zamp I've had. And it usually doesn't quite update the program. Because I'm pretty sure when I originally made this, it was working just fine. If I do this, let's just save that, and we do this. Please work. No, even then. Did I? Hold on a minute. GitHub. Did I? I thought I'd sent in the changes. The changes. Have I not updated the file correctly? No, I have updated the file, so I wonder why it. I have an idea why. I think I had the same issue when I was originally coding it, but I don't know. I don't exactly understand why it started to happen again. and I guess I could just go and fix it real quick. I just kind of want to see if I can't really see if I can copy it. Let's see if the same mistake, because I know it's ever something to do with the function calls. Yeah, supposed to stream right now. A little bit of a different stream. I think gonna start with the first hour, just kind of uh the first hour kind of start coding a little bit, start making the website. Yeah, so here I don't think I'm having the same issue. Yeah, I'm not. I get the object perfectly the same. So that's kind of weird. I guess I can just look at the difference between my file and this file. I don't know why it has happened. It shouldn't have. It should be totally fine. Uh, that's that's the thing that I don't quite get. Uh, so let's see. Let me open up. So it's definitely to do with something, right? One of the get item, the operators up here, definitely. Hash ID, character J and I. Yeah, exactly what that. That's the same. Final stats, hash ID, character J I, table name value. Yes, a little bit has changed. Mainly tried to put in the stats and the perks of a weapon. Haven't quite gotten down the stats right. For example, I tested it with a sword and I got one of my swords, and I got completely different stats for that. So I'm not quite sure about the stats. What I had to do for now. I mainly want to try and get 3 boxes for the weapons right today. I would say try and get those right, and make try and also make them responsive today if possible. I don't know if I will be able to do it today, but that's kind of a good way to start. I also then want to copy the object that is going to be made there, so it's also the same. And also I don't have to run through this function each time I load the page, so if I want to do some CSS stuff really quickly, I don't have to do I don't have to wait as long, so I'm trying to cut that down as well. Gear aesthetics that JI, yeah. Okay, so I'm reading through this, and I think I have the right idea with where it is, where the issue lies. So let's not getting the right object key. Is that maybe why? No, that's supposed to be right. Stats character JI, this stat definition, and JSON stats, and then that. Yeah, exactly the same. I think the issue stems from here. Get item info and get character info. I think that's where originally the issue come arrived from. But I don't understand why this time, because I fixed it last. I fixed it like 1 or 2 days ago, yesterday or the day before. So I'm not quite sure what has happened since then that has broken it. Well, I guess I could check here first. Let me see. Where did the issue stem from? You guys are seeing the right screen, right? You are seeing the right scene. Okay, yeah, you're good. You guys are good. I guess I could just look here. Okay, so get item stats is wrong. It's unable to get the right J. It's unable to get the JSON parse method. So most likely something that is is it maybe the hash? The hash might actually be the thing that's broken here. So let's actually test it real quick. We can do that really easily. Pull this up here. Okay, so we can test this real quick. So the this was which one was it? It was uh this was stats, get item stats. As you can see, I had the same issue and I tested it. No, it has the right. It seems to be having the right hashes. So I unexpected token in JSON at position 0. VM is a debugger at JSON parse. Unload of our JSON parse this dot response dot JSON. I don't get what is different from this. Is really odd because on the original file that I have that I shared to GitHub, this was working perfectly. And I even double checked really in my on my file, in the other file, and then it also was working. So I don't get why it's not working here. It really should be. Actually, maybe no. Wait. So wait, click here. We get the characters. This is supposed to be our title, I think. Then we have zero gear here. So the stats, the static stats, and the static and the perk is not working. So none of these are working. So so I would say the problem probably stems from get character info, I would say. Which means honestly I feel like if I fix this one I probably will fix this. So first one here is get item. So this is the first item hash. And that's in within the for loop, so that means if I go up to get item data, the first one should be the hash ID, the second one should be character, and then the gear in. So first user dot character I. So yeah, we have the character ID. We have the J, which is the loop we're currently within. And then get destiny inventory item definition. Uh, I wait. Yeah. Last one is that one. Item ID, table name J, character. We then take character dot gear, which makes sense, and we take the J of that one, and we choose static, and then put the JSON in there. I don't quite know why that is not working. Am I giving the wrong table name? I can check real quick. Uh, Inventory item definition. Is it just the XAMPP not working properly? I Oh wait, there's an easy way to check this actually. So if the XAMPP, I should probably check in here. Network, go into. Okay, I don't know if I can check the network anymore because I'm at this point I'm sca massively. This is why having the manifest file really helps because I'm scaling up so many calls at this point. So let's just extend up to this one real quick. So this is the Destiny HTML file, that's fine. And so function get item stats. No, we're not looking at this one right now. So if XAMPP is working correctly, then uh, no, we should be able to see if XAMPP is working correctly. If if the file is updated, then we know that there's something else that's going wrong. I can't seem because it has been the case that it has been outdated sometimes. We're sending in the down here. We're sending down the character, right? Yes, we are sending down the character. Use character I. That might be the issue. Is it? No, it's not. I thought it was. Um, I I've feeling that this might be XAMPP, but I'm not quite sure. So let's try this thing instead. So we're gonna comment out this part. So we're gonna stick to this one so we just know. And we're gonna not go through this one either. So we're gonna focus just on get item data and find out where the issue is. Because I feel like if we find out what error was with that one, then we can find out. So currently it is the table name. No, so currently it's the something with get item data wrong. The JSON can be parsed. So let's go to get item data. I wish you can do Control D. You could do it in another code in IntelliJ, I think, and you'd get the exact same line. So we should be getting the character object here. Let's just stop it there. So the character object, okay, it seems that is the right object. Seems legit. Uh, let's try J. What is J in this case? So yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that makes sense. That it's the IDs, okay. Then table name. Let's see, what is the table name in this case? Uh, Destiny item definition. So yeah, see. I don't get it then. What could be? What is the? Let's check the hash ID then. It has to be something wrong with this that I'm sending through. Seems like totally legitimate IDs as well. Is this? Surely it's not something with the PHP files. I don't think I've changed the PHP files, so I don't get why those would send something wrong. unless it was really just. I feel like is is it really Samp? Wait, didn't I delete it and then? Oh wait, I didn't save. Uh, this is so odd, cause I don't get why. Uh, let's see if we can console.log the response. This is something I didn't expect to happen. I definitely didn't expect this. I expected to jump right into some CSS. So this is really awkward. Warning, SQLite 3 query, unable to prepare statement 1, no such table in Destiny inventory item in the no such table. So I couldn't find the table. That's odd. Couldn't find the table? Out of all things, he couldn't find the table. Um, that's new. I haven't seen that one before. Should be the table given. And item data should then. So it's the last one. Get down the list. Last one in the parameter. If you go down to get character info, we're sending in this one as the last parameter. Haven't messed up anything with this thing. Is it really the PHP file that's somehow wait, let me check. Is it really the PHP file? Oh. Oh. I might find the issue. We need the content.zip file and we're missing it. What happened to the content.zip file? So no, well, at least we found out why exactly we are getting the issue. Oh, did we just get it? Wait. I think we just got it. Okay, so that was why. That was okay. That was very surprising. Didn't see that one. Didn't think that would be the issue. I kind of shut that off because I was like, no, let's not run through that function again. I guess I didn't pay attention to that. I should have paid attention to it. So that's probably why that was broken. That was how much time did I waste there because of that? Let's see. That was a couple minutes at least. Let's turn on these let's start using these functions then to get all the data. Uncomment these. I'll clean up this file and make it better. I think at some point I definitely need to change all these things. Maybe not. Oh, one of these I haven't removed the console.log. So that's interesting. I mean, I can understand why that issue snuck through because it's not really like I can regulate that. It's not like I share the PHP, no, the database file that is more such that's more so the again yeah, I don't get this thing. I tried to understand this thing. I don't. Um, yeah, I just don't. I try to get the at first attempt to get stack stats, then I tried to get the stats from the item instance, and even that wasn't really the best result. I think these might be the right values or something like that, but I don't think they have the right names or something. It's very weird and very complicated, and I can't tell why exactly. So, uh, everything's loaded. Seems to be. Okay, so I don't know how store object as a global variable. Ooh. Um, I want to see if I can't copy this whole thing and put it into a file and in HTML. I can do it in here in HTML. This is something definitely new. Wait, what? Ah, here. That's the button. Um, JSON. Oh, I kind of just want to see if I can't do this and see if I can just make a call to this file and get all this data out instantly rather than having to each time when I load in the page run the file. Yeah, so I can't. I need a uh, perhaps you could how to write a perhaps I could use a write function to write the JSON object into a file. File with I know how to do it in Java, but I don't know how to do it in JavaScript. Write JSON to file. JavaScript provides a built-in JSON object for parsing or serializing data. Write JSON object. So let's how can I write this in JSON format and just JSON file. JSON the stringify project. I already have JSON. Well, actually, kind of what? How does it? Yeah, that's in JSON format already. So to convert it to JavaScript JSON, it would be worth going through a JSON basis course. For writing to a file, you generally need something non-standard provided. Oh. You can say the JSON object in a file.json like this. Constant file size requires fs. Let's try it. Stringified. I don't think I needed stringified. Uh, but we'll try, I guess. So down here in the windows.load. So when it's done with that, it'll do this, I would say. That's a pretty good time to do it. It'll require a folder. Should I do this? Pretty sure I thought this through. Uh, let's try it. Requires not to find. Uh, okay, well, I guess we'll deal with it for now. So that should be JavaScript. This should be. I'm gonna put all this in a file. and just keep this out of my own sight for my own good. Uh, Move this and put it in here. Save that. Save this. Remove. I don't need these things. And then let me check. The thing should still be working just fine. Create users. No. Oh wait, I need to uncommon this. Alright, let's close that. Oh wait, am I in the wrong scene? Wait, could you guys have seen that? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, you guys should have been able to see it. Surprised that I messed that up. Should have paid more attention to that. Okay, so let's check. Hey, totally fine. Okay, it honestly takes so little time that I think it's gonna be fine. Um, so first things first, remove this. I don't think I need. Honestly, let's just remove all these variables, because I don't think I've been using any of them. Update this. Everything seems fine. No errors. Character. Yeah, yeah, I got everything. Oh yeah, yeah. That seems fine. Okay. So remove this button. And I don't think I need this image or this header. Okay. I don't need to look at that. I don't need to look at that. So I guess it's time for some CSS, I guess. So let's at least start with the right thing. So let's be organized and make a CSS folder. Okay, I made a CSS folder within JavaScript folder. That's not right. Here and there. Not underneath the. Come on, Visual Studio Code. There. Okay, CSS. I want to move that one. Okay, so under here, I'll call it base site.css. That's a pretty good name for it. How do you connect again to? Isn't it style sheet? I think it's style. Wait, the way through school. I've kind of forgotten. I'm not. CSS. I could forget these things from here and there. So how do you connect it to a JavaScript file? No, not JavaScript, HTML file. My bad. Home introduction. No, you can just use the style tag, but I want to keep it in a separate folder so that I don't need to. Yeah, so yeah, so just keep everything kind of somewhat nice and organized. Uh, how to perhaps? Here, link. So put this in the header, I guess. Okay. So it should do. That's fine. I'll call that for now. If I really hate it, I'll change it. Style sheet. Now change it to base site. Style sheet. Okay, so I'll make this main box. So we'll call, what was it called again? Those div boxes. Ah, yes. I have not forgotten everything about CSS or HTML yet. And I guess do I give it I'll call it class main container. Yeah, I'll do camel case wise. Main container. I'm definitely gonna need two. So main. I'm going to struggle. Alright, so I think for classes is dot, and for IDs it's hashtag. So main container. I think that's how you do it. I hope. So let's say width 100%, height 100%, and let's say background color. And how about navy blue? I think navy blue is a good color. Dark blue. Let's try that. Alright, let's see. How does this look? Nothing happened. Great. Failed to load resource. The server responded with that. Okay. 404. Oh, wait. I know why. I messed up. I didn't do it right. That should. Oh wait, no, 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 that one. That's the wrong one. Here. Like that. That's how you do it. Okay. HTML. Oh, yeah, I should. Now I need just do elements. So, where's this div container? Alright, so as it's connected, it just hasn't gotten its height on it, which is odd. I guess it's maybe because I haven't filled it with stuff. Okay, so we're gonna need one main div for. Oh, not like that. We're gonna need one main. Here, so we'll call it class weapon container. And that's going to contain all the boxes with the weapons to display all the weapons. And then we're going to have 3 different div boxes in each. So now, of course, they're all going to be using. Actually, I should, you know, I should do this instead. Class weapons container, and here class weapon container is not plural. And then I should take this and copy this twice. You know what I thought about right now? That is that I've already messed up one thing because I thought there would be a lot of CSS right here, but when I think of it, when I think about it, not quite. um, do I put everything in the div container? So actually I should use paint in this case. This is a good way to illustrate it. Paint is good. Paint is good. uh, so let's say here we want image. Here we want text, display name, power below. And then down here we want a circle, 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 like that. I think that's good. Another idea that I did have was kind of like do it like this. Maybe a little bit long there. So image, text, perk, 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 perk. Then kind of a drop down like here that would show more of it. Oh wait, that would, and then which would like include stats and all. But I feel like quite, and like this one when you press it, I feel like this whole thing you should be able to press. It would flip. It would go into big size screen and would show more. Uh, kind of want to. I kind of had the idea of it making being kind of card like in the way. Kind of looking like cards in a way. So I've now noticed that I'm actually gonna be doing more JavaScript than I thought. I actually wasn't thinking about doing JavaScript today. I thought, there'll be a lot of CSS. This will be fun. Didn't quite think this through. So let me think this through. Let me think this through. So after we're done creating the user object, we'll call this function, which is create view. We'll call it create view. That's pretty good way of describing it. I just delete you. And let me. So just function create. Okay. Yep. You're right. I forgot. And okay. So function create view and no parameters. So this is supposed. Actually, this is a function that we're supposed to do after we're done collecting user data. And yes, yeah. So after you collecting user data, so that's about that point right there. Oh my, I've been live for 44 minutes. Oh my, I've been having quite issues, haven't I? Okay, so create view. So here, create weapon view. This is smart. This is better. Weapon view. Actually, no. We call it create view, and create view will call upon create the function weapon view, and that will not take any parameters. Weapon view function. So we have kind of like so we have one function that take care of each and every single function, kind of like how in startup.js we have create user. That one spirals up, goes to all these. Uh, so we have this main function that controls all that. I did think of doing it where I had one main function that calls upon all these functions instead of having it kind of like going upwards, kind of like this. But then but when I kind of thought through it more and more, it wouldn't make sense because I would run several. I felt like it would be very inefficient. I kind of thought like that. That was kind of like the thoughts going through my head. Not quite sure whether it is, so I'm not quite sure whether the way that I'm doing it right now is the smartest way of doing it. Of course, I have thought of instead of doing because one thing I tried was a class-based structure, but because I kind of like object oriented. It's kind of nice. It's kind of clean. You can see, yeah. Yeah, quite organized way of putting things. Enough rambling though. Okay, so let's see. In the div class container, we'll have an image, and we'll call it class because we're going to be using this weapon image or item image. Let's call it item image, so we can reuse this one because I can see myself reusing this one several times. Uh, so I also could honestly just go into each of these and put the class tags in them. Have this base structure of them, but do it all in the CSS where I just do inner HTML. I could do exactly that, and I'm not quite sure whether it would be the best idea too. You know what? No, I'm not going right. I'm not going to do that. Going to do I'm going to do it like this, so I have better idea and better control over it. Uh, I'm also gonna have a, let's say, H2 in each H2. One for power level and weapon name. Class item power. I don't even know if I've actually collected that. And another H2 for. Actually, let's make it H1. We want that to be a little bit bigger text, and we'll call this class item name. I think I'm gonna make this more general. So I'm doing this to have a better idea of what I'm dealing with. I'm not sure whether this is the smart thing to do, because I could just do everything in JavaScript and all that, but I feel like this maybe might give me a better image of how it's gonna be. Of course, later I think I'm gonna add some boxes for perks, but let's start with that. That's a good way to start. So weapon view, we're gonna set a weapon view, and for that we're starting with these boxes right here. Uh, so we are going to be filling these up with items. So we are going to go and make a static, not a static. How am I going to put this? So I guess I could take this and make this an ID because I want this to be specific to this. Actually, no. Class. I think class is just better in general. So var. Do I go for the weapon? No, no, let's actually not go for the weapon container. Weapon. Not weapons container. The weapon container each. Equals document dot get I element by class name. I've actually forgotten how you would go about uh, uh, console.log. Let's see whether I'll get an error from this, because I definitely remember not weapon view, weapon container. Let's see whether we'll get an error from this or we'll get an array. I think we might get an array from this. Ah, good to see the box is now showing. So HTML collection. Okay, yeah. So that's right. Okay, I think that's right. And so we can select which one we want for each. So we're going to make a for loop where we run through each one of them. And we then set this up for each. So let's make a for loop. As you can see, I'm very used to static variable names, not JavaScript ones. I've gotten very used to JavaScript ones. Coming up on an hour. We've used more time than I expected. Will I be able to do this in time? I is less than weapon container dot length I plus plus. Okay, so we're gonna be filling this whole thing. We're gonna fill this whole thing up. Now this is kind of not normal for me. Definitely expected. I wanted this thing to fill out the whole thing, and I don't think the color is right. I think I want it a bit darker, but I don't know. I guess this is a good way to go through. Dark, yeah, that's dark blue. That's also one thing I've learned. Oh, this might be good. Dark slate blue. I kind of learned that Google is pretty good for this. Google Chrome's web editor. It's good for selecting colors. Medium, no, that's bad. Ooh? Nah. No, none of them have taken the kick yet. I'm still on dark slate blue. No. Alright, dark slate blue it is. Let's change that in the base CSS. Dark slate blue. I mean, there's probably more colors, and I'll get to those colors. It's fine for now. I might change the colors at a later point. So yeah, that's the thing. Okay, so for each weapon container, this is gonna be for each weapon container. So weapon container I dot. Ooh. I've realized that this is actually not good. Wait. um. I kind of regret. Wait, let me just do that. Eh, eh, eh. Okay. So. Oh. Wait. Okay. So let's start with item image. Oh, that's bad. Alright, let's do that. Okay. So dot source equals to um. Let's get source image. So user dot. I think I think I'm using the right one right now. I'm using the user variable object that I made. Yeah, var user and user dot get character I believe. So yeah, character I. So that will be Titan first, and then gear. Yeah, okay. So user dot get user dot wait so user dot characters, not like that. Characters I dot gear I is dot static. I think it is static. Not static, static. Stats, I mean static. Dot uh static dot display. I think it was this um so I'm going to this character 0. I'm going 0 in here. I'm going gear. I'm taking the first one. I'm going into static. Display properties. That's what I called it. Display properties. Well, not what I call it. That was what Bunch I think called it in their API. RESTful API. I think I might be mixing those two things up. Alright, that's good. Let's test it. And we got wrong. Weapon container is not defined. Where do I have weapon container? Oh, here, I never forgot to change it. Item image dot length. Alright. Oh, and do do and characters of undefined. Oh, you. They're right or wrong. Characters. Characters. I. How have I wrote it wrong? Characters. And then I get the. You're telling me I'm wrong. Where in? Can somebody please explain to me what is wrong here? I don't see the issue. They do with this. No, that didn't do with big C either. So that's very odd. Oh wait, is it running before? before? It is running before. Oh, so that's very odd. How could I tell it to wait? I want it to wait until. So I think what's happening is instantly going in here, then after the so it's doing this asynchronously, which um which is bad considering that I want to run this and get then after all the function with this is done, then run this. But it's calling this and it's running that in the background, and while it's running that in the background, it's running this one, which is not good. Uh, which is then running this one, which is then running this one, which is bad. How about I say, I want to make an event to say, okay, can we do an event? Because I want to do this kind of online. And of course, it could be smart if I mean, a good way to then save time would be then to then, let's say, once item data has been called 3 times. Uh, yeah, once it's been called 3 times and it then goes in here. That could be a good way. So let's say when it's done. So let's make a counter. Uh, user. Let's my bad. Void characters created. Characters gotten. This could be I could see this as a good way to uh and var weapon count, because I can see this is a good way to then try try and save some time when it loads. So do other things while it's loading. And then I could probably see if I couldn't stick an event to say, okay, if characters gotten is 3 and whipping counter is above 9. That could be a good like time to do it. So let's see here in get item data, for example, I could say each time it's in here in the load function, I could say counter weapon counter plus plus, and then make several events for that. And so let's say in here which characters are being created. So in this case, I could say uh, characters gotten. But see, here's the issue: is what if the weapon count character. Actually, I could reset the weapon counter, couldn't I? So each time the weapon counter comes here, it is at 0. Would I? Would that work? Yeah, actually, it could. Characters gotten. Oh, that's bad. Plus plus. That's pretty good, yeah. This is a good idea. Uh, or I could make it so if, or I could do just as we do down here with console log the user object. Maybe we could then set a global variable to be. So we can also try this. We can say var weapon, no, var characters ready. No, let's call it data is ready. And we can say it's false. If I can type correctly. Data is ready. And once we can say in here data is ready is equal to true. And then let's go back. And how can I make an event listener? Uh, JavaScript event listeners. Let's see if I can create an add event listener. Mm -mm. Events. I want to see if I can't create an event. I'll wait until an object is ready. That's the goal. Navigation nodes, collection node list, CSS, HTML elements. Let's try that. Event Java script event listeners for variables. Variable change. Listening for variable change. Responsive event JavaScript. Probably you want to say mutable observer for DOM object is only for JS objects. A internal 10 a listener function val. Set a val this a internal equals val a listener val get a return this a register listener function listener this a listener equals listen. Then you can register a listener using the following x dot register listener function val alert some change to the XA to uh, this really changed how to run a function after another. I didn't think this in JS. Function A, first function code here, and function B, second code in here. Using this method, function B can only execute after function A. First function code here, document trigger function A complete. Wait, what? Are the following code in JavaScript function 1 someone else to this value? How can I ensure function 2 is called only after function 1 is completed? To specify an anonymous callback and make function 1 accept it. But even if you use 1.5, you can just use deferred patterns. Didn't think this through, did I? I thought I was ready to. This answers promises as JavaScript features of the ECMA script 6.9. If your target platform does not support it, promises polyfill it with promise.js. Function 1 parameter callback. Return new promise. Function fulfill reject. Do stuff, fulfill result. If the action succeeded, if the action did not succeed. This may seem like a significant overhead for this example, but more complex code it is far better than using callbacks. You can easily chain multiple asynchronous calls using multiple then statements. This got really difficult. Okay. Actually, you know what? I'm going to do this instead. I'm gonna take create user function, and I'm going to take this function, and I am going to delete from here, and I'm going to put it in here. And then instead of having create view here, I can take that, delete it, and put it in here. So that once then we can now check when this will actually work. Let's see if this will work. Proper gear of undefined. Oh. So it is reaches character. So this actually didn't do anything. It just made it take a little bit longer, and that really didn't help anything. Oh, what did I just do? I did something. Oh, ah, I see what happened. Oh, it is back. Oh, it's definitely not here. Connected back. Okay. Right there. Okay, so let me just drag that back to the right spot. Okay, there. You guys are seeing the right website? The right scene? Yes. Okay. So I really wanted to get into some CSS, and this kind of made it a little bit difficult in the sense that I could I use wait um wait how to make a function in JS. Wait. The standard way of creating a delay in JavaScript is to use the its set timeout method. For example, console.log set timeout, delay sleep, pause, and wait. So I could make it wait, or I could use it sleep. So let's say fetch that, then that, then that. You might actually not need a sleep function. Create a simple delay using set timeout. This would log hello to the console, then after 2 seconds world, and in many cases this is enough to do something. Wait, then do set timeout. Let's look. What am I doing first? Console.hello, set timeout, console.world, do that, console.line. Okay, so okay, let's try it. Set timeout. Set time out. Set timeout. And then a lambda expression. Okay, let's see. I'm trying to make this work just for now. And then a function. So I probably could just make the regular function call. And then okay. And then the time would be so 2 seconds. Ah, that's fine. Let's see. Set timeout was not defined. Okay, did I create a simple delay using set timeout? Standard wait. Understanding Java's execution mode. Before we get going, it's important to make sure we understand Java and consider the following Ruby code. As one might expect, this code makes a request to GitHub API, fetch the data, and then parse it directly the output public report. Find it prints hello, the screen, execution goes from top to bottom. If you run this code, output hello, screen, then the fetching data from is an asynchronous operation in JavaScript. The JavaScript interpreter will encounter the fetch command and dispatch the request. It will not, however, wait for the request to be complete. Rather, it will continue on its way, output hello to the console. Then, when the request a couple hundred milliseconds later, it will output the repos. If any of these, you might actually need, you might not know. But I just creating simple lazy set timeout. Don't need to do this. That's wrong. Come on. Oh wait. Like that. Let's try that. No, set timeout is still not working. Did I just miss? Oh wait. I might have written it wrong. Oh yeah, I did. Gear of undefined. Let's just change that to 5 seconds. At this point, everything should be loaded in. Get. Oh, I forgot. Okay, so and we now need the base. So we need var base image, which is I forgot what it was. It was Bungie.net. So HTTP Bungie.net, and then I think you've already got the rest, because we should get so locals, yeah, so common Destiny, yeah, okay, so that take the base image path and plus it with that. Describe the thing more. Semicolon. Okay, let's try that. No. Hey. Hold on, give me a little second. And let me just go to dim real quick. And do. So let's see. This is showing my hunter right now. Okay. Oh, wait, was it always showing? I might have been looking at the wrong thing. Alright, so hunter, right? That was hunter. Why is it loading again? Weird. So bow. Wait. 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 You know, I understand why. I understand exactly why that's happening. Uh, Character 0. Save yes. Oh wait, I exited out of it. That's why it asked me. I was like, huh, what? Now let's try it again. Did I write? Oh. What? Oh, I'm not. Oh, I'm in search. 0. 5 seconds, maybe a little bit too brutal, but it's fine. Okay, yeah. So, starts with a Titan. So, yeah, that seems right, right. Okay, so now on to scaling, downscaling those pictures because they are insanely big. So we need to find out exactly. Okay, so let me start with dot item image, and we'll say its width of the when we take into account the box, it needs to be about 25%. I would say that's pretty good, right? And we want the height to be exactly the same, so we'll say 25. We want it to be a quadrant. Quadrant? Is that right? What is it? I need to stop exiting out of this. Stop that as well. I don't know why that's. This an HTML. We can change this to be 3 seconds, possibly. Let's try. Oh my. Okay, so I think that's because we haven't set a static height for the weapon containers, I believe. Yeah, okay, so div uh class top item container, and we're gonna wrap this around like that, and I'm just gonna copy and paste this because this is the exact same for all of them. Like that. All right. So, dot top item container, and we need to give him a static height. So we'll say we also need to okay. So actually, when I think about it, we need to change several things. We need to change the weapon container for each of these. So weapon container. I'm gonna remove this big C. I don't know why I made it like that. That was kind of weird. Also here. Honestly, I'm just gonna do all small cases. It kind of looks weird right now when I think about it. That's totally fine. Okay, so I haven't broken anything there. Change that to small. Alright, so weapons container. We're going to give it a border border style. Oh, I messed up. Border solid. Let's just say white, see it clearly. Border border width, let's say 5 pixels. That should be good. Let's see. Can we see these differences now? No, we cannot. Oh, this is the main weapons container. So I need to set a prefix height and height for them. So I'm going to give it 100 pixels for now. That should be decent. Let's just say to them that, okay, you can't go past. I was about to say that height, and it just did. Oh, that's bad. Honestly, I think I messed up by then height. We'll give it 20% of the given height. So 20, not 20, 25% of the given height, and we'll give it the width of 100%. Let it utilize the whole box that it is given. Weapons container needs to be, I think, okay, so I need to make it so maybe I should let this one scale. Where did where did this one come from? Oh wait, this might be an extra one. So div weapon container. This is a div. This is a div. This is a div, and this is the end of this. This is within. Ah, yeah, that's right. Okay, I don't. Did I mess that up? Is that why? Is that why? Camera gear. If I can find. Oh wait. Honestly, why are these images being so big? They don't need to be. I haven't done the job, the CSS correctly. I will. That probably will fix it. I'm probably going to do this for another 15 minutes. Then I'm probably going to go play some Valorant. I thought I would get more progress today, but it seems like I absolutely didn't. I guess I post or put in this put an image of when I finish it or something like that. Kind of sad that I didn't get to finish it today, but it's fine. 15 minutes, and it's or maybe I should say or maybe I save it for next week. I might save it next week for you guys. So we have the main container. We have the weapons container. We now need the weapon container. So that one needs 100% of the given space it's given, and it needs 33. Actually, let's say 30% of the screen given for each of them. Just might say we can do this for now. Border width, border style, border width. Is this how you actually set borders though? I can't remember if that's how you set borders. Oh wait, is it no, that's not margins. Okay, yeah, so it is literally just like that. Alright, so it should be working now. But we still don't see him. So border style. Oh wait, maybe it's because we're border style. No, border style. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. That should be right. Border style. Anything else that's coming to my head right now? Let's update the page real quick. See. Okay, so now we have the borders here. We can see the item boxes. Okay, we can clearly see. So the weapons container is going to use the 100% of the width it's given. I think that's just going to be given for this container. These each will get 30% width and 100% height. And let's try and see how does it change now. I don't get why though. Top item container. So this is the weapon container. Top item container. Why is the top item container height is that width is 100%? I don't get why. And then the item image is 25%. I don't get why that happened. Actually, you know what? This is where, so top item container there. It actually, this is a good spot to do this. So we have the weapons container. We have the, and now we have. Wait, what? We have main container, weapons container, weapon container, and that has top item and weapon. But my question is, what happened? Yeah, but oh, and we have a third one here. Wait, that's that isn't quite right. Something is very not right here. I think I messed up something in the HTML file. Alright, so weapon container. It's a weapon container. Okay, so and this is a weapon container, and that is a weapon container. This one is going from this one to the weapon container. This one should go to this one. Oh no, this one. But it's not. And which one is this one headed to? So clearly something is wrong here. But the fact that the div box for this one wasn't quite. Oh, you know what? Could this be why? Oh, right. Oh, I need to move everything one up. Then. Oh wait, did I find a mistake? I think I just found a mistake. So in div there, I think I forgot that. So I forgot it. I think I forgot one there as well. I'm finding all the mistakes. Okay, so I didn't have an extra one. I just was tripping before. And this, so that's this is for those and a bin container. I haven't moved this one up. And then there. I need to move all these up one and all these up one. So now I think we got a good hierarchy. We got this ending here. We got the weapons container ending down here. It makes sense. And then we got the div container here. Weapon container each here. Yes, this looks good. This looks good. Now I think it's good. Ah, yes. They're all in. Okay, wait. Give it a second. So now they're all the same size. That was kind of weird. Why? Okay, so you can see one issue is they're not getting the right height. They're also not even within this whole thing. Border style solid white. Why is that invalid property? Border border color, let's say white. Border, actually no, let's change that to something we can see, so black. Black. Border. Border color black. Border style solid. Okay, so let's see. Okay, now we have it. Okay, so don't know why that didn't work, so let's just change that for now. Weapons container, border style solid. Solid. Okay, maybe I mistyped. That could be no. Alright. Um. So border style that border color. Let's say black for now. That's a good placeholder one. Okay, so let's say ah wait, there it is. um oh no, that was supposed to be the reason. That was supposed to be right. So within the box in here, and then the is this the weapons container? This is the weapons container. So in here, how do you make Flexbox, was it? I can't remember quite. Actually, you know what I should do? I should do this. Because, actually not this one, not this one. Um, where is it? Yeah, I think, it ain't happening today. We're not finishing. I had high hopes for today, but I don't think that's happening. Like 8 minutes remaining. Yeah, yeah, no, it ain't happening today. I'll post an update though. I'll attempt to do that. Uh, yeah, I think so. I think we're gonna call it here. We made some progress. Started a little bit on the website, not much, very little, but I think I'm going to continue with this on my own, and I'm definitely gonna update you guys on it. So for now, we're not done though. We're not done. I'm gonna hide the screen here. Okay, and then I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna exit out of Visual Studio. I'm gonna continue on this on my own. But for now, it's fine. Uh, unfortunate events. If only it didn't. And it makes sense because Ajax, like those requests are asynchronous, which is a little bit annoying. It makes sense why. That definitely, like, it was a combination of multiple things that just made it take way longer than things. And I ended up using 2 hours almost on coding. Definitely didn't mean to do that. Okay, let's switch to here. Instead of display capture, we want gate capture. You guys seeing the right thing right now? No, you're not. You're seeing absolutely nothing. Actually, to fair much. Oh wait, now you might be seeing something. Are you? Maybe I need to set it up. We're playing some Valorant now, though. Hey, okay, you guys seeing it? Alright, and then one last thing before we start this. Let me just change the category and all that. Actually, let's not change that. Okay, let's change that and switch that to gaming. Valorant. Save. Alright, and that should be it. And we should be ready. We should be good to go. Alright.
Match found.
That's loud. That's very loud. Wait, let me turn that down. Actually, that's probably turned a little bit too much down. Wait, did I go into? Oh, I went into unrated. Okay, that's fine. I can deal with some unrated as a warm up. As a warm up. Let's see. Can I play Valorant today, or will I absolutely flop in comp? I actually went into accidentally went into unrated. I need to find though a better way for it, because the way I'm doing it right now is a little bit bad with how it was set up for the, I can't remember why, the variables, no, not the variables, what I'm saying, um for when it was bad when it came to which variables was being made. No, I don't know, I kind of lost my train of thought there. um it was bad. I was a little bit struggle knowing how okay, it's sent back in the queue.
Match found.
How I was going to continue the next function to create view. I definitely wanted the Windows download to be kind of like my main function where everything kind of runs through, but it ended up kind of not working out that way because Ajax kind of runs asynchronously. I think you can make him run synchronously, which could work. I'm gonna try making him work synchronously. Although I kind of wonder then. Well, then I kind of wonder how much time it would take. Because currently I think it takes about, what, 2-3 seconds it took to load all weapons and all items kind of on my character and information that I wanted. So I mean that it still is fast. Why are people not picking, man? Why do people have to do this? Wait. Pick it. I can't type. We're gonna be sent back. I can't believe it. Why are people not picking these days? Very annoying.
Match found.
This is very annoying because why is this happening? Can people not just choose a character? It's not that difficult.
I am the end.
I need what? E. Wait, purchase what? Wait, purchase weapons 20 times? Easy. I do that every game. I think finally we're going into. Somebody finally managed to press a character and then the pick button. Somebody finally did it. And now we just gotta win. How hard can that be?
I feel their hope dying, and we haven't even begun. This will not take long.
Actually, no, that's bad. What I'm doing. Why do I feel? I don't feel good. This ain't good, bro. This ain't good. This ain't good. I have a feeling that I'm gonna miss all my shots. And we already made the first mistake, which was we forgot. Oh, and one of our teammate.
Careful.
Okay. Okay, so at least he brought the spike. kind of wanted to spike, but it's fine. Let's see whether we can't start off with a pick here.
Bomb buddy out. Enemy spotted.
I have a feeling I'm gonna miss horribly today. But honestly, just go in with some confidence right now. Wait, what? Is nobody here?
Poison's gone.
Wait.
Careful.
Did he just threw fire on us? Like, one guy.
Let's rotate A.
Okay. I have no idea what is actually going on. Okay, I'm lagging. Oh. How? I should not live there. What happened?
No charges.
I'm kind of lagging a little bit here. It's bad. Oh, he had shot me. Oh, I'm lagging a little bit here. This is not good.
One enemy remaining.
Something out right now. That's decent, actually. Let me see if. Oh, Zamp is still on.
Killed you is an offense to my radiance. I'll break her apart.
That's gonna be, that might be just exactly why. Oh. Alright, already bought twice this game.
Got you, bro.
No.
Looking good right now.
Yes. Yes. Enemy spotted. Enemy spotted.
Whoever said rotate A last round, big L from them. We lost because of that. I was like, there's nobody here.
Got one. Still in sight.
Experiment complete. Cover going out.
Careful now.
Shadows traveling.
Reloading.
One enemy remaining.
This
Flawless.
guy's in there. Ah, yeah. I kind of forgot to smoke a little bit, but it's fine.
I will take back what is mine.
Hey, it didn't even hurt us that round. Huh. Pushing A? Okay. I need to get back into the swing of what was the swing again? I forgot it. Oh, that's bad. Of smoking a lot. I need to just use this guy's kit more. I don't want to use it for back.
Okay.
Cover going out.
That's fine.
Satchel out.
I saw that. What's the chance that
Going up.
I saw that guy? Oh, that.
Silent. Carrier is dead.
That's bad. Yeah.
Last
spike
player
carrier is
standing.
Enemy kill.
Oh my! Wait, is he gonna clutch it?
One enemy
Oh, he
remaining.
might actually clutch it. Hey. He knows he's in there. Good.
Huge shift.
30 seconds left.
I got the spike.
Good job, dude.
Easy.
Insane.
Hey. You clutched it. Hey,
You're mad, Jet. Damn.
good.
Let's go B.
That was a little bit of a struggle there. I don't need to fix this. Sort this internet out.
Tear them down.
9.
Shadows traveling. Shadows traveling.
Good job.
That Reyna just scared the life out of me.
Reloading.
Careful. Careful.
Got spike.
I tried to ping as well, tried it while fighting. Oh, well, maybe not the best choice. Oh, we're almost. I don't think. I better clean up.
Enemy
Cutting their
spotted.
vision.
That was.
Next.
Going up.
Elbow.
30 seconds left.
Behind.
Last player standing.
Oh. I don't think the spot they were in was the best of spots. I should have died though.
Let's go to A.
Can I get a
think-
drop?
I believe.
Dude, you sound
Reloaded.
fucking German, dude.
Wer ist Deutsch?
I believe I can. Okay, not with this ping.
Wo ist German?
uh,
Deine Mutter. Moin, Meister.
Let's go.
I don't know why.
Go get him.
It's kind
Reloading. Next.
Cover going out.
Satchel out.
back up there.
Satchel out.
Minus 80.
Enemy spotted.
I know exactly where you are.
Wait, then push me. I'm lagging so hard right now. Why is this happening?
Last player standing. One enemy remaining.
Still in sight.
Now let's see.
30 seconds left.
Will that help?
30 Sekunden.
GG, meine Sportsfreunde.
Damn right we're crushing it.
Die Gegner sind mal wieder chancenlos.
Einfach Kaka.
Welcome to my world.
Oh. I just got baited so hard by that.
Moment, kannst du bitte den Spike platzieren?
Shadows traveling.
My bad.
Engineers down.
Spike planted.
Minus 120. Achtung. Nice.
Last player standing.
Ah, I'm stressing a lot right now. uh, well. Alright, I need to pick it up. I'm throwing out now. Definitely. Okay.
Woher kommt ihr? Aus welchem Bundesland?
Let's go with this. Yeah, I was still a bit late on
Okay, aus
the
dem
plant.
Bundesland. Hab ich auch gehört.
Also Freistaat Bayern, freilich. Ja, spielst du gut, mein Freund?
Reload him.
Sag mal, wie talkst du eigentlich?
They're all
Willst du was
going
von
that
mir oder was?
direction.
Ey, ich höre diese Top.
Kein Interesse? Selber ausfallen.
Cover going out.
Zum Glück mehr Headshot, die Schlampe.
So eine Bitch. So eine kleine Bitch.
Kurwa, mać.
Blinding.
One enemy remaining.
Shadows traveling. I have the spike.
Last player standing.
GG.
The enemy fears you, Reyna. You can use that.
I thought I was gonna die there. Not gonna lie. For being unrated, this is I'm kind of sweating a little bit here.
Let's fly.
Wie alt seid ihr?
I really shouldn't be heading off on my own, but it's fine.
Safe.
Pitiful.
Killed.
You
Let's go the
will
other way.
not kill my
Oh,
ally.
shit.
Sehen oder nichts?
Bunch of guys here.
Ah, that's a bit annoying. Let's go the other way. Actually, let's go. Let's go B.
Rotate.
Reyna, stop. No, Reyna.
Shadows
Stop
traveling.
tickling me. Stop tickling me, please.
Careful.
Oh, Johnny, stop tickling me.
Ich denke, dieses Game, ich bin einfach zu schlecht dafür.
Ja, same.
I don't see anybody here on the point. I'm gonna slow push.
30
up.
seconds left.
Raise, rotate back, and oh wait, one on me.
Fucking idiot. Minus 60.
10 seconds left.
Have the planted.
Welcome to my
Bro, this
world.
Phoenix, man, what is he doing?
Last player standing.
The Phoenix is all on the whole other side. Oh yeah, good luck. Yeah, it's done. Yep. Nobody was rotating. So I was like, why? What is happening?
So ein kleiner Sohn eines.
Eine
Reloading.
Billiardi.
Werkzeuge.
Okay.
Don't hold back.
Rush B, wer bist du?
13. Ich glaube, die jetzt war.
Bomb buddy out.
Ey, kleiner 13.
Satchel out. Satchel out.
Ich installiere das Game weiter.
Cover going out.
I can't.
Last player standing. One enemy remaining.
Blair. Window. Window.
Where? To the left of me? Here?
Window. Window. No, 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 no.
Ah, okay, okay, I see.
Yeah, right there, right there, right there. Just get the spike and gonna that spot, maybe smoke it. Or TP. Take spike and TP. Take the spike.
I have the spike.
TP.
Watch them run.
Good job.
Thirty seconds left.
Spike planted.
Bad TP.
No, 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 don't. Just chill, okay? You got this. Nice, 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 nice.
Still in sight.
Fast, fast, fast. He's not defusing. Chill. Get him, get him, get him, get him. Holy fuck, dude. That was close as hell.
They're still fighting after seeing what we can do.
That was too close.
Not wise.
I don't want to peek unless I had to there. He was baiting the defuse, and the second time he didn't. And when I saw the thing going, I was like, okay, I need to rush this. I think luckily, like right before I defused, he didn't stick it. He let go for a second, and that was really what ruined him there.
Cover going
Look
out.
at these.
Satchel out.
Look at these, my friend.
Bomb buddy out. Reload. Reloading. Satchel out.
Sniper right there.
Disappear.
Going up.
Enemy spotted.
All away.
Spike carrier down.
You will
There.
Last guy here.
Careful.
Oh wait, no, it's, I mean, not guys. Viper.
What the fuck?
One enemy remaining.
Last one long. Long.
Cover going out. No charges.
30 seconds left.
I have the spike. Go.
He's to the left.
Go together.
He's on the left side of the spike, I think.
Yeah. Yes, left. Go, go,
You
go,
guys
go.
need to push him
Fast,
now.
Fast, fast,
Fast,
fast,
you have 10 seconds.
Kill him, kill him.
There.
Seconds left.
Just kill, kill. Quick.
Got spike.
Nice.
Looks like I was the stronger one.
I don't know why I'm stressing this
You
much,
want me
bro.
serious? You got it.
I don't know why I'm sweating so much right now.
Reloading. Reloading. On my mark.
I think I'm the losses player in the world.
Shadows
No.
traveling.
Phoenix.
Shadows traveling.
Enemy spotted.
I'm stuck here on crate. I was wondering why I couldn't walk to the side. That's killed there, killed there.
Careful. No charges.
Oops.
Cover going out.
Planted. Careful now.
One enemy remaining.
Just stay here.
I'm gonna knife kill him.
Oh, it's that guy. Okay, fine. Okay.
Easy.
I'm stressing so hard right now.
Dude.
For no,
Last round in the half.
for no reason.
Spend those credits before we lose them.
Actually, why not?
I can buy.
Kennt ihr Fortnite?
Natürlich kann ich Fortnite. Ich bin der beste Player in der World.
Ich auch.
One for one.
Ich bin besser. Shit on.
Hast du
Cover
hast du
going out.
1 gegen 1, komm doch. Komm doch 1 gegen 1, will ich drauf.
Ja, ja, komm, komm, komm.
Sights. Shadows traveling.
What PvP?
Welcome to my world.
I'm sitting in the TP.
One enemy remaining.
Ihr seid so komplett deppert.
Nice.
Schön gemacht.
Dude,
Nicht
this is
schlecht.
so stressful right now.
Reload. Switching
It
sides.
shouldn't be, but it really is.
Das sah doch super aus. Bravissimo.
Oh, one guy on their team left. Oh, it shouldn't all be stacking B.
Step brother, I'm stuck.
I'm watching you.
I'm watching your mom. And she likes
With
it.
your mom.
No. I do.
You sell my mom iPhone or what?
I sell my mom for a V-Bucks.
Cover going out.
Off.
Last player standing.
Yo.
Khalid.
Oh my.
The son of a bitch had...
Haha, the son of a bitch. My German.
This place is nice, but not nice enough to die in.
Ja, ich bin
Let's win and get out of
actually
here.
bin ich.
Which we say Victor.
Jo, wie viel drückst
I needed to win that one new one there.
du? Wie viel drückst du, Verband?
Because I couldn't take.
Siege Umdrehung.
That was the only way I would be able to win that.
Shadows traveling.
They might be full PvP? Yeah, I think so.
Aww. Actually, minus 100.
Unimportant.
One enemy remaining.
Spike by me?
Mit. Let's go. Easy. Ja, hast du richtig auseinandergenommen. Shot.
As much as this
Oh, that
world
was a little bit
hurts,
easier round.
it's mine, and I will kill to defend it.
Spielst du for real Fortnite?
That was less tough. That was
Oh my God.
less of a stressful round. A little bit,
Aber nur
Was ist
but it smoked and I don't know how I didn't get
Sag ich mal,
blinded by that flash of his. I probably should have been. I feel like maybe I
Mhm.
just turned just the right time, but I feel
Mein Bruder ist auch so
Oh,
ein
I don't, I don't think my reaction time was that good there.
Beileid.
Cover going out.
Everybody going A?
I'm going
Dein
TP,
Bruder
ey.
auch schon ein paar Earnings.
Ja, ja, aber
Yeah,
nicht viel.
they teleported. They teleport, I think. Oh no. Oh.
Shadows
Ich hab
travel.
allen so 50 Damage gemacht.
Danke Phoenix für the blinding.
Go.
One enemy remaining.
Phoenix to your left, to your left. Nice.
Läuft der Beste.
Just let them try to catch me.
Ich hab mir vorhin Fortnite runtergeladen.
Vor wann?
Ich spiele jetzt mal auf Fortnite angelehnt Operator.
Okay.
Bock 1 für 1 und 5.
Junge, ich kann nicht spielen. Ich hab keine Ahnung. Season 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Reloading.
8 und 9 gespielt.
What? You wanna hold that angle? Fine.
Aber ich kann nicht spielen. Ich bin komplett lost. Ich check's nicht, das ist komplett scheiße, das Game. Was da passiert? So Roboter, die da rumlaufen und so. Was soll das?
Nee, die sind weg. Es gibt bloß keine Pump mehr, keine normale.
Wer hat sich das denn jetzt ausgedacht? Das sieht doch
I think they're
kacke aus.
going A. Oh wait, no.
Da sind 3 Leute. Fake Blonde.
Mein Dick.
Blinding.
Oh, here, the other lane. Two of them. Outside. Two of them outside on B.
1 HP.
Das gesehen wegen dem scheiß Blinding und so.
Who's next?
One enemy remaining.
To right, to right.
Last player
Ah,
standing.
lucky. He's inside.
30 seconds left.
Ich wollte ihn irgendwie no-scopen, keine Ahnung, was ich vorhatte.
We have a girlfriend.
Just take your time. He has to plant.
Spike planted.
Ah, he went to the point.
We have a...
Ey. Rush B, fragt doch eine Freundin was.
Das ist ein zweites Game. So chill.
I guess he had the. I guess he did have the spike. You see.
Going up.
I don't know if that was a good spot. Yep. I legit thought. I don't know if that's a good spot
Nice.
because
Look
he
your
should. I
enemy
feel like
in
he
the
should.
eye.
I feel like
It
he
helps
wouldn't
with
be there.
accuracy.
I guess he could have been, but I felt like it was less likely for him to be there. I would rather. I feel like it would be better to block off the other kind of side of the map, like here, like black. But I feel like he would be more like to be in lamps. But hey, if he felt that he was there, it's fine. That was his choice. Wasn't expecting a slow push though. And then Viper.
Der Hurensohn, er schluckt 4 Hits am Anancoin, Digga, hat 145 Schaden gezogen und überlebt mit 5 AP, der Wichser.
Easy.
Maybe I should try and flank him here.
So, jetzt gehe ich jetzt mal wieder zu McDonalds noch und fressen und bleib jetzt AFK.
They're going A.
Er spielt Odin, der Knecht.
Last player
How did I
standing.
not? I hit body
Knife
shots. I
planted.
thought that was at least one should have been headshot after like.
Got him.
Pilzknecht.
That's
Aha.
weird.
Wollt ihr sehen, ich kann Bunny hoppen. Oh wait. Ah, shit. Never mind. Das ist krass, ne?
That's pretty good though. He
Was könnt ihr nicht?
made him use extra time, so now he has
Yeah,
less time
easy.
to push.
Oh nö. Oh
Ja,
nö.
just save, just
Och
save.
nee.
Yeah, they know.
Das Gefühl, wir sterben.
Och nö.
That's pretty good
Och
bait though.
nö. Das war die Schnauze.
We lose Amana Coin.
That was pretty good bait though from them, I would say.
We got this.
Viper also did very well.
Wer ist Lappen?
Wo
Du Fortnite spielst.
She took out how
Really
much?
should
She
be
took out
Fortnite.
3 of us. Did she?
Problem damit.
Yeah, 3. No,
Sie können
2,
mit seiner
2,
Mutter
2 or
heute
3.
spielen.
Meinetwegen.
Ich habe mit deiner Mutter schon vorgespielt, da wird problematisch.
So she is sorry.
Kannst du auf dem Friedhof besuchen.
Peeking here. Maybe I should try.
Kurz ausgraben, oder wie? Ist halt eigentlich nicht lustig, sich über sowas lustig zu stellen. Deswegen.
Wenn es nicht lustig ist, wieso machst du es dann?
Shadows traveling.
Two of them there, 2 of them.
Careful now.
I Pokemon Go every day.
Don't over rotate, or else they'll just go to the point.
Be loud, be very loud. Like random. Whoop whoop whoop.
Welcome to my world.
Yeah, they went to A.
Spike planted.
Easy,
So these
easy,
guys
easy,
have a
easy.
habit of
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's
over-rotating.
go.
My team has a habit of
Okay,
over-rotating.
let's go.
Going up.
Reloading.
They're probably in the thing.
Ah, behind the Kisten.
Last player standing. One enemy remaining.
Yeah, I had a feeling they were hiding in the thing.
Words are so meaningless. Might as well give them to me.
Alright, so it seems like they like to rotate a lot. So we shouldn't over-rotate.
Stay safe.
So I just gotta hold this angle for a while.
Auf A.
According to the map, I see some good things. They're dying.
One enemy remaining.
Cover going out.
Reload him.
Cover going out.
Spike spotted.
Leute, wollt ihr mein Passwort wissen?
Für deine Mutter?
Ist gut.
My teammate. Oh, they found Viper.
Ich geh mich einfach begraben nach diesem Spiel. Ich geh mich löschen. Wupp, wupp. Deleted. Bye bye. Raus.
Seconds left.
You tried. I stopped that. Reloaded.
Match point.
Okay.
Let's end this.
Marshall only. Anybody? Ah, okay.
Which was the Marshall again?
The counter
Oh.
snipe.
Cheap
The
sniper.
yeah, the weird one.
Who's next?
Oh,
Sorry, bro.
Good frog.
oh, he teleported to A.
When you can ult if you want.
Here.
Welcome to my world.
Watch them run.
Spike planted.
Stealing sight.
One enemy remaining.
No charges.
GG, my friends. The jet.
Ah, that was interesting.
The spike is diffused.
Defenders win.
Hold on to the smoke.
I knew they were
Can't
hiding in the
stop
thing.
here.
Yeah, so I was like, alright, we need to rush in. I thought you said it would be in that spot when I was spraying in the thing, but no. Hey, use the ultimate. Hey. Anybody down for some ranked? Yeah, I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna go to iron. Oh no.
Match found.
I am the beginning.
Let's
I am the end.
not do terrible. Let's do good.
You say?
Why does Zamp not like to close itself properly? That's very annoying.
Don't die here, Sabine. I need your secrets.
Okay. Just try not to lose this game. In the case that they're full pushing. Oh, nice. Pushing A?
Reloading.
Full pushing, full pushing, full pushing. Two down in the bottom, and I think at least one long.
Spike
Right,
planted.
full rush. Hey. At first I was like, perhaps they're not that kind of a team that full rushes. I was ready to kind of like wait and scope, and when I saw two of them in there, sadly I died there, but I instantly knew, yeah, they are full pushing. At least it's a good way to see. It's like
Reloading.
Reload.
Enemy down. I will
Last player standing.
That was a good try though. Unlucky. Famous last words. Hope we don't lose this one. Confidence, confidence. We're gonna do this. We can do this. This is the first round.
enemy spotted.
Full pushing A, I think. Yeah, again. Should I have smoked there? I feel like I should have smoked that tunnel and just backed up. I feel like.
Stim beacon here.
Spike planted.
I was that jet not dead earlier. Okay, nice.
Last player
Unlucky.
standing.
He missed. If he hit that cipher hit, that would be clutch. Alright, this it's just a. Both are down there. I think they're gonna be waiting for you to push. I don't think he has any utilities left either. Oh, this is not the best position for him to be in. Yeah, the rip. Yeah, it's a rip. Alright, we need to try and do this a little bit better. Judge? Bucky, Judge. Let's go Judge. Let's go for us full buy, yeah. Actually, wait.
Get out of my way!
Yeah, I'd go in the same way.
Steps long A. Better steps.
Killed.
Up.
One enemy remaining.
Stay in sight.
Window.
Cover going out.
Specs here.
Cover going out.
We need to hold A.
Good job.
Nice. Alright. Easy as that. Just smoke off the lanes. Don't be too aggressive.
Up to the light.
Small steps. Okay. I think he's gonna try and focus on that. I'm gonna focus on this angle here. Try and not over push. Yeah, still A, I think.
They didn't commit yet. But let's wait a bit.
They didn't push. Oh wait, no, Silva. Viper, by you, he's camping in the corner.
Your duty is not over! So what I mean?
Spike planted.
C, I guess.
Planted C.
Shadows traveling.
multiple enemies. See ya! Good attempt.
I know exactly where you
Super, super
are.
low.
Last player standing.
My ultimate isn't.
You want revenge, Viper? Now's your chance.
Okay, so there's. Okay, this is a little bit of predicament. So they're slow pushing. And this, yeah, they slow push at 1 point. That's annoying.
Claw through them.
That has no meaning. After the last round, it has barely meaning. So they, remember that, they like slow push.
Stealing sight.
I can't believe it. I missed
A.
my flash. Yeah, they're pushing A. Missed my flash. She was just out of the radius for it. I was gonna peek. I was gonna flash before
Spike
peeking,
planted.
and I decided no, I'm not gonna do it at that as wide of an angle. And that timing of that was just.
You fought well.
Enough of that. Enough of that.
Reloading.
Okay.
One
Yeah, they
enemy
went
remaining.
long. Okay.
Last player standing.
Okay. That was still good though. That was still a good round though. We're still we're stopped. I need to be more patient. But in that case, I'm the only one here. So I basically need to be careful. He missed.
Cover going out. Cover going out. Blinding.
Pushing A, full pushing A.
Bomb buddy out.
Need to back up a little bit here.
You should run.
She long.
Wait, let's go to the spike. Let's go to spike.
Open up the sky.
It's by C, okay.
Satchel out.
Definitely.
spike.
They got it?
Yep.
Thirty seconds left.
BB?
Yeah, B.
Spike planted. One enemy remaining.
Bring one for me.
Last player standing.
Hey, bro. Hit one.
And that's how we do it.
That could have been dangerous. That's like spike grenade?
Thanks.
That's a spike grenade, right?
Thank you.
No problem.
I'm not quite sure how I'm supposed to hold this. I don't know if holding window is a good choice. So right now there's two angles, that one, that one. And so if I'm here alone, I need to keep an
Get out
eye
of my
on
way!
both. That Sova is just so bad, cause he.
Blinding.
Oh, he literally just flew into me.
Bomb buddy out.
Shadows traveling.
By me. See long? What did I think? Oh, why did I think she had gone through the room? I don't know why I thought.
Kill my allies. Snuff out.
I don't know why I thought that she had gone through the whole room there.
30 seconds left.
Probably going A.
Satchel out.
Last player standing. One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Some things you just can't teach.
I'm impressed, Brimstone. Looks like the fire is still lit.
Okay, it's decent having at least one person here to help me.
Come.
But yeah, I was surprised this round. Jet just straight up sprinted right at me. I'm like, huh, what are you doing?
Enemy spotted.
Oh my.
Stealing sight.
No, I jumped. Oh, I hit my
Grounded.
I hit my keyboard.
Last player standing.
Yeah, this is.
Sorry, kid. Molly.
Lucky. Hit my keyboard, man, with my mouse. I couldn't turn my mouse
I
over anymore.
survived obliteration. I will survive them.
What's good here in this case? It's for the floor.
Can I get a drop?
Shit. You know what? It may just be a shout.
Cower. Run.
They're destroying the wall double door.
Blinding.
Reloading.
Planting C.
Spike planted.
Reloading.
Oh, it
You
depends.
should run.
3 C long. All C long, all C long.
One enemy remaining.
Reloading.
Last player standing. Clutch.
See? Ah, I knew she was there.
Their backs will be towards at least one of us.
I need to save. If I do that, I can't get shields. Sure, you know what.
Enemy spotted. Multiple enemies spotted.
Stealing sight.
On me, on me, on me.
Shadows traveling.
That was a terrible smoke.
Going out.
Molly.
Healing you.
Enemy spotted.
Spike's there. Spike's there. Reloading.
See ya.
Oh,
Reloading.
Barrier created.
Spike's there.
oh, there's a killjoy there.
One enemy remaining.
Kid.
Spike's there.
30 seconds left.
Reloading.
Flawless.
Spike's there. We're here because we're the best. Don't any of you forget that.
Okay. I'm really struggling to hold down that lane right there. You know what would happen if I were to be a little bit more aggressive?
Come on, let's go. Sit still.
I know exactly
You will
where
not
you are.
kill my allies.
Spike planted.
Reloading. Here.
Careful.
I'll leave us.
Last player standing. Last round before the switch.
We can't take anything with us after this.
I wish I knew whether they were full pushing B or C, but nobody's saying whether they are. Just like, I should have noticed the map though. That's one thing I should have noticed.
Get out of my way!
Nowhere to run!
No information. 3 split sides.
Last player
Oh,
standing.
that's just unlucky.
Spike planted.
Here comes the party.
Flawless. Switching
Time to stock
sides.
back up.
Now we are attacking. Okay, a little bit better. But we did worse that first half. We started well, I think, and then just ended up badly. I was also kind of annoying that there was a slow pushing as well the whole time. Wait, is that map, bro? Where's that map? I didn't really look. What button is this guy pressing right now?
Smoke's down.
Missed the entire.
Shadows.
Spike carrier is down.
I'm paranoid right now.
Last player
Viper,
standing.
why are you turned around like that?
Flawless.
I knew Jet was the only one in there, so I thought, okay, while we're there, we can also take out Jet. That'll be way easier for later. But no. No. She wanted to run instead.
We will hurt them.
Smoke's down.
Shadows traveling.
Enemy spotted.
Molly.
You see me?
Reloading.
Blinding.
No, I need to reload. I didn't know.
Last player
Oh, Sage
standing.
missed. Sage.
I'll make them remember. They're only human.
That was dumb of me.
Launching smoke.
Cover going out.
Bomb buddy out.
Reloading.
Molly. Stim beacon here.
Spike planted. Satchel out. There.
One enemy remaining.
There.
Sky smokes will give us all the cover we need.
Isolate them and kill them.
Launching
Get
smoke.
out of my way.
Cover going out.
Get him.
Reloading.
Stim beacon down.
Reloading.
Molly.
Reloading. Reloading.
Shadows traveling.
Enemy spotted. Reloading.
Wait, how did he just kill us? Bro, I shot at him as well. Behind you, Ray.
Last player
Oh
standing.
my days.
Toxin screen down.
Why Jet Warp is last by garage? Lucky. Lucky of him.
They will die, hopeless and afraid.
I might try and, because we're actually going quite close. We're actually like, so we're going to garage, and we're taking quite like close quarters. So I think the shotgun actually might be good.
Smoke's down. Molly.
Okay.
Reloading.
Shadows traveling. Cover going out.
Here comes the party. Satchel out. Cipher removed. Your duty is not over. Reloading. So what I miss?
Alright. Oh, we need to go mid. Okay, now I don't. She's by window.
Last player standing.
One shot.
30 seconds left.
I have this one.
We split up and we split up.
I'll teach them to respect their elders.
Okay. This is not good. This is not good. Yeah, we only have. We can only lose 2 more times. One more time. We should. I should have noticed that they were dead and the spike was there.
Launching smoke.
Reloading.
Molly.
Go get him.
Spike dropped.
Blinding.
Oh, I forgot about the thing.
Our spike is down.
Last player standing.
Yeah, this is
Flawless.
just going terrible. Ready to demote some more?
Match point.
Unchoke their sight.
I like paranoia. We're going close.
Let's choke them.
Smoke's down.
Bomb buddy out.
Nowhere to run!
Reloading. Reloading. Message sent.
Omen. Enemy spotted. Fuck off, Omen.
Open up the sky.
Shadows traveling.
Got the spike.
Last player standing.
Out of here.
Thirty seconds left.
Okay. Wait, does he have a spike? Oh,
Defenders win.
bad timing. Oh, he did have the spike as well. I'm one game from demoting. Don't have enough time for one more.
Match found.
Oh, well, doesn't matter because we're doing one. I don't want to fall down to iron, but I'm playing very bad. I need to think through what am I doing wrong.
I am the beginning. I am the end.
I should have saved one round, maybe. Huh? Every single ranked game since when? Okay, since the 2 in this act, I think.
Match found.
I'm playing very. I've been playing very bad for some reason. I don't know why. I really feel like I'm just playing very bad. I don't know, like.
I am the beginning.
I'm trying to think.
I am the
What could I
end.
do different? Alright. Ah. I'm going to see if I can take no one out on catwalk over there. I'm not going to focus on that mid part there. Of course, I think I should first, before doing this, help my teammate out a little bit here by smoking.
There.
Shadows traveling.
Cutting their vision.
Enemy spotted.
Reloading.
Oh my gosh. Oh my, that guy from far.
Yikes.
Alright, imagine dice. Oh, I see him.
Eyes
Nice. Okay. Brim is AFK.
Last player standing.
am everywhere.
Hello.
Cover going out.
Launching smoke.
Enemy spotted.
Enemy spotted.
Go.
Reloading.
Cover going out.
Enemy spotted. Smoke's down.
Blocking sight.
Still in sight. Cutting their vision.
Enemy down.
One enemy remaining. Last player standing.
Great eco.
Yeah. Let's bring it back.
Cut their walls down. Shadows traveling.
Nailed. Blocking sight.
Enemy spotted. Got him.
Our carrier is dead. Still in sight.
Last player standing. 30 seconds left. One enemy remaining.
Smoke's down.
10 seconds left.
Watch and learn.
Watch this.
Blinding. Shadows traveling.
Enemy spotted. Enemy spotted.
Still in sight.
Cover going out.
Reloading.
I see multiple enemies.
Reloading. There. You will not kill my allies!
Last player standing.
Molly!
Their jet is playing hard to get. Alright, I'll play.
Brim, why is he... I don't know why Brim is all the way on the other side of the map. I'm gonna save this round.
I'm saving.
There.
Coward, run.
Get out of my way!
Shadows traveling.
Bomb buddy out. Satchel out. Reloading. Reloading.
Enemy spotted.
Open up the sky! Deep fried!
Last player standing.
Gone. Here. Watch them run.
30 seconds left.
Spike planted. Cover going out. Cover going out.
I think it was too obvious, man. Wait. Wasn't it too obvious?
Gotta find that rhythm.
Shadows traveling.
Night night. Satchel out. Here comes it. Fire!
Reloading.
Oh.
Fire in the hole! Our spike's down.
Brim is all the way on A side,
Last
far
player
away
standing.
from everybody. Brim.
Thirty seconds left.
Launching smoke. Got this.
ya, Jet. I can't wait for you to run circles around him.
Let's all go A.
Okay.
Raise, don't go B. Come to A.
Safety's off.
Shadows traveling. Cover going out.
Launching smoke. Reloading.
Still in sight.
Last player standing.
Uh,
No need to suffer.
we need to stop pushing alone. It's not working. If one pushes mid, we all pushes mid.
I have the spike.
Wait, he hit me. Oh my.
Last player standing.
Smoke's down.
Alright. This is really a struggle.
My city needs me. I can't be away for long. Let's end this quickly.
What can I do differently in this situation? I always keep getting outgunned.
Let's make him dance. Somebody out.
Launching smoke.
Blinding.
I couldn't believe I just tanked that. I didn't think I was that close.
Reloading.
Shadows traveling.
Oh my. I need to back up to Reyna. Reyna, I'm coming to you.
You will not kill my allies.
Rip.
Last player standing.
My. I'm not enjoying myself right
They want to dance? I'll leave.
now. There's a struggle. Let's push through mid. We're all just failing hard right now. Come on.
Embarrass them.
No, don't push point. We go through a mid.
Cover going out.
I don't know if that was a good.
Now we're cooking.
Smoke's down.
One mid, one catwalk.
Right here.
One cubby.
Last player standing.
How is that only one hit? I literally sprayed.
I know exactly where you are.
30 seconds left. One enemy remaining.
That's 3. Got the spike.
10
He's probably on
seconds left.
Spike planted. Got 5.
Nice.
That's bingo.
Though.
Thank you.
Let's go through mid again.
Okay.
Satchel out.
Right now, if you're gonna push A, don't hard
Launching
push.
smoke.
Damn.
Shadows traveling.
Reloading.
Cover going out.
Here comes the party.
Race back up, race back up.
Spike planted.
Last player standing.
Raise low. I didn't hit her actually. Don't forget about the other raise.
One enemy remaining.
4. Satchel out.
Nice.
Talk about collateral damage.
Last round in the half.
Don't be cheap. Spend it all before it's gone.
I've got cash. Anyone need something?
Gone here.
Renya, if you get the ult globe, you have ult. Renya, there's an ult globe here. You don't want it? You need one, man.
Cover going out.
Get out of my way! Ugh. Enemy spotted. Enemy spotted. There.
Stealing sight.
One enemy remaining.
The hunt begins.
Watch them run.
Watching here. I'm watching here.
She's next to me.
Right here. Tagged and tagged.
Blind.
Switching
We're here
sides.
because we're the best. Don't any of you forget that.
If they're hard pushing a point, just write it in chat. A or B.
Let's remind them who we are. There. There.
Coming B.
There. There. Enemy spotted.
Reload. Enemy spotted. Got him.
Spike planted.
Reloading.
One enemy remaining.
Shadows traveling.
Team Ace.
Fish in a barrel.
Reloading.
Remember to talk to each other out there. If we communicate, we win.
For you, hermanita. There. There.
A.
Shadows traveling.
See multiple enemies.
Going A.
Spike planted.
Enemy spotted.
Stealing sight.
Up there, low. Sage.
Down you go.
Nice. Go to A, go to A, go to A.
There.
Raise. Actually, not fine.
One enemy remaining.
Last raise is by
There.
Raise. Oh, Raise.
Nice. We can actually win this, guys. Come on.
I'm the last thing they'll see before they die. Lucky them.
Alright, let's go.
There.
Right now we have eco and then We need to get advantage of that.
Enemy spotted. Need help.
Cover going out. Shadows traveling.
Reloading.
They will cower.
Reloading.
Multiple enemies ahead.
Oh my, the timing.
Like a garage.
Last player
Step on
standing.
site.
They're both in the back.
Spike planted.
Don't forget your Q.
Smoke's down.
Nice try.
No more doubts. We're ready.
Who needs auto?
I can.
Okay.
Thanks.
Together. Here comes the party. Jet's grounded. There. Need help.
Mid.
Enemy spotted. Smoke's down.
Up top. They are up top.
I'm watching here.
They're going to A.
Watching
Yeah,
here.
they
Going
go.
in.
Spotted. Going A.
Spike planted.
There. Cutting their vision.
The hunt begins.
One enemy remaining. Last
Long,
player
in the back.
standing.
Use a Q. Actually, I wasn't paying attention. That was awkward. I didn't.
Sorry to spoil the party. I'll teach them to respect their elders.
Need a drop. I've got cash. Anyone need something? What do you need?
Okay, so remember, if they're going to mid, they may be going. They're probably rotating. Full pushing A. Oh my. Oh my. There's literally nothing I could have done there.
Going A.
Get out of my way!
Spike here. Enemy spotted. I see the spike.
Cypher
Satchel
very
out.
low. Side.
Satchel out.
Last player standing.
Fire in the hole!
Rocket. No.
Spike planted.
Nice try.
No problem, man.
Yeah, it's fine. Next time I see him.
Thanks.
Okay. If I see Razor's little thing again, I'm smoking doorway instantly. They're coming to A, I think.
Yeah, multiple A long.
Cover going out.
Yeah, full pushing A.
Still in sight.
Last player standing.
One
enemy remaining.
It's hard.
Gear up, stay safe. We're going back in.
Let's make them dance.
We need.
Here comes the party. I see multiple enemies.
Stealing sight.
There.
Cover going out.
Satchel out.
Sit still. There.
Smoke's down. Molly.
Shadows traveling.
Open up the sky.
30 seconds left. One enemy remaining.
It's fine. Let's just hold here. If they plan
10
another place,
seconds
we go
left.
together.
Yeah, play them. Okay. Well, she doesn't have time. So. Just don't die. Still A long, doing nothing.
On me.
Going A. On my way. They will come. Spotted.
One going up heaven. Renee,
Yeah, I
my
know.
team. She killed me.
See nothing.
Last player standing.
My bad.
Unlucky.
I fucked up there. Sorry.
Nah, I messed up too. I should have killed that jet when she ran through.
Match point.
Pay
I had
attention.
bad time
I
with the
learned
reload.
something.
Well, I guess we did pretty well with 4.
Yeah.
After a pretty bad start. So.
I will be their nightmare.
There.
Cover going out.
Jet's grounded. You will not kill my ally.
Cover going out.
Satchel out.
Blinded.
One enemy remaining.
One shot on one shot. He's on me. Nice.
What the hell was he doing?
I don't know. I don't know.
They're just batteries.
He was walking very
I may
strange.
need a recharge.
Guess I scared him.
We win. We survive. There. Need help.
Smoke's down.
Wait, jet here?
Launching smoke.
Nice.
Let's go, let's go.
It might be mid. Oh no, 2 on 3.
I know exactly where you are.
Fire in the hole.
Launching.
Spike planted. Last
Oh,
player
my, I'm
standing.
sorry.
The hunt
Out of
begins.
charges.
GG.
Attackers
GG.
win.
Well, GG guys.
Yeah.
Against the odds.
Lucky game. Alright, well, goodbye. I'm gonna end the stream now. Alright. No, I'm bronze.